What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, I want to talk about JASMY coin in this video. I want to go over exactly what's happening within it. I want to go over the short term and long term of it, and I want to talk about why I'm apologizing to JASMY. Guys, if you're interested in this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon at Perry8K, you can follow me over there. Now, also don't forget about my link for Margex, which is in the description, where you can start trading up to 100x leverage on Bitcoin, BNB, Ethereum. You can trade 50x leverage on JASMY coin, 50x leverage on XRP, 50x leverage on Solana, and a lot of other plays that are out there if you guys are very interested in what this could be. So guys, again, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. So let's go into JASMY coin really quick and show you where things are, because things are looking pretty good for JASMY right now. We're at a level of 2 cents. My value is sitting around $20,000. I have 1 million JASMY coins still. I haven't done anything with that. A market cap is at a $994 million market cap with $61 million worth of volume. The volume to market cap ratio is a little bit lower than what I wanted. You know, I would like to see it in the 10 to 30 range, but you can't always get that. JASMY coin has been hovering around that point or average that point for quite some time. So as it gets to a higher market cap, it's going to be more and more difficult to maintain that. Because if this was at the market cap that it was at before, where it was at a 40% of a penny level, 50% of a penny level, you're talking about $61 million worth of a market cap or $61 million worth of volume that actually does have a way higher percentage based on that market cap. So obviously it had the popularity then to show that level of volume, to average the 10 to 30% volume to market cap ratio. Now, if you don't know what I'm saying or understand it at all, this just means that the volume is a percentage of the market cap, right? And if it's a higher percentage, it's more popular. And I like seeing positions that are popular, and JASMY coin is that. I mean, seeing over $1 billion in volume really told me exactly where this will go. Just on a comparative basis with things like XRP and Solana up in those levels when they were at those levels. XRP is still standing there, but you know, Solana is way above that point. The overall supply, again, 98.6. Majority of the supply is out there, and we have no issues there. Again, we are seeing some positive movement today, so that's great. Over the last 7 days, it is up 10%, which is phenomenal to see it from the 1.8 level all the way up to the 2 level. We want to see it break 2. Honestly, I want to see it break 5. And I think that's kind of that major resistance level. I know 4 is going to be kind of tough because that's a $2 billion market cap. So 4 is definitely going to be on the tougher side. But I think we'll find a way to surpass that, and we'll see it at a higher resistance level, you know, especially when it comes to 5 cents. So anyways, let's talk about JASMY coin maybe at more of a 10,000 foot view. When we look into this and we look into this position, a lot of people, you know, want the same mindset. When you go into Coinbase and you look up JASMY coin, the one thing that you see that's increasing, that you really want to continue to see increasing, is the hold time. The hold time for JASMY coin has hovered around 30 days or so. And I wanted to check it right now to see exactly where that is, because I know that people are holding it a lot longer now. Yeah, so it's sitting around 39 days right now when you look at the typical days of hold time. Now, most people want to see that we're holding this for a lot longer, right? With the lockups, with the belief, with the overall potential of where this can go during the bull run, and the use as well. You want to see more of a hold time, right? When you look at things like, you know, Shiba Inu, which doesn't have any type of utility, you're talking about a hold time of 212 days. Right, so you want to see that same hold time for something like a JASMY coin, but it's sitting at 39 days. But it's good to see it increasing, and it's good to see it at a certain level. We want to see it up to 40. So let me know if you do see that happen. But with the with the movement that we're seeing, we may see some day trading going on. And I have to admit, I'm not contributing to increasing this whole time. For my overall position, what I have here, yeah, I'm contributing to that. However, I'm not contributing to that over in Margex. If you don't know, I've been trading in Margex for a while, and they made JASMY coin available. And at first, I was just like, I want to get into JASMY coin to have something available short term so I don't have to take much from my position over here. I ended up losing a little bit of money because I traded with emotion. You never want to trade with emotion. You make sure you want to trade with accurate information, reading the chart, and whatever your strategy actually is. But trading with emotion is never a strategy. So I ended up losing a little bit of money, and then I ended up making money out of it. And this is the time where I made money. It was at a 1.4 cent price, and I was like, or 1.4, 1.5 cent price. And I was like, you know what? These are my positions here. I was like, you know what? Let me get into this. So I put in some Matic at a 50x leverage at my open price of 1.53 cents. The current level is 0.02. Now, where this stands, I actually had more Matic that was there, more Matic that I put in there, but I took my initial investment plus profit, about $250 out of it. Now, the reason why I'm not contributing and the reason why I have to apologize to JASMY Coin and the JASMY community is the fact that, I'm actively trading this, right? I'm actively trading it, and I honestly hope that you guys are too, and being able to profit short term as well as long term, because the profits make you feel good about what you're holding long term. And I don't want to apologize about it. I don't want to do that, but I know the community is more about what the use case is, and more about the lockups, more about the holding of JASMY coin. So while I'm still holding over here, I'm supporting it, but also not supporting it in a way. So I want to apologize. But if you guys are interested in trading, actively trading, I recommend finding a platform maybe that's outside your normal platform, outside where you normally hold your JASMY coin, whether that's Coinbase or I think Crypto.com or Kraken or wherever you hold your JASMY coin. You want to make sure you find another place to do so. I honestly think that Margex is a great platform where you can trade as little as $1 and do it 5x, 50x. I don't ever recommend that you do a 50x leverage. I've made money maybe 3 or 4 times, a handful of times, trading 50x to 100x leverage. But the point is that you have to find a super low area. When you see a massive pullback, those are the times where you could see 50x leverage working. Those are the times where you could see a 100x leverage working. But if you're just going to invest willy-nilly $1,000 at 100x, yeah, that sounds great. You're trading $100,000. However, you're also risking your $1,000 if it drops by like 1%. And nobody wants that at all. So make sure you know what you're doing if you're going to go ahead and get into Margex. But I want to apologize because I'm up 1,604% and up $515, but I'm actively trading it. I don't know if this will really have an impact, but the problem is that when I do things like this, I'm, subconsciously telling people day trading this position is okay. It's for day trading. And that's not essentially what I'm saying. I'm saying that any position you should see short-term as well as long-term outcomes, long-term benefits, long-term gains and short-term gains with these plays. And I think Margex is a great platform. So if you guys are interested in it, I have a link to Margex down below where you guys can trade JASMY coin again at up to a 50x leverage. But I recommend somewhere around 5 to 10. Just make sure you know what you're doing, because right now you could sell the market if you believe that it's going to come back, because it currently is at a 2 cent price. If we look at where this has been, I don't know if this is the last day. Wait, what day is this? It's May 17th. So yeah, it's literally the last day. If we go back in so much history, maybe the last year, we'll get a little bit more information to see exactly where it is with a bigger picture, right? So where this currently stands, or the highest point that it got to, was 2.7. Where we currently stand at 2, I mean, it's kind of, it's kind of flat. We're seeing it in those levels, and we see the lowest level here is where I bought. You see my line here? This is where I bought. When I saw that, boom, I bought right here, and then saw that skyrocket, saw that move, and I made money off of it. I was happy with that. I'm still happy with it, obviously, up 1,600%, or $500. And if I can capture enough over here, then I might not need to take my profit over here. I might not need to implement my exit plan until later. Because right now my exit plan, I believe, starts at like 5 or 10 cents. I have to go and check it. And I honestly don't want it to start at those levels, right? I would love it to start a lot later on, as we're at $100,000 or $200,000. And then we could see that move up from there. So let me know what you think about this. Are you interested in Margex? Are you interested in short-term trading for JASMY coin? If not, let me know in the comment section why you're not interested in short-term trading, if you're all about the long-term or whatever it is. But guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.